This will be our warm start and mixed driving video of our 1990 Nissan 300ZX. Had it running for about another 10-12 minutes there, so everything is up to operating temp. I'm gonna go ahead and warm start her, and we'll get on going while we still have some daylight. Apologies in advance as the sun is setting. Try not to drive west for too terribly long. Avoid all road goo. It is our seatbelt light. Occasion when we warm start it, even if we have our seatbelt on, which I do, it tends to stay on for a couple of minutes, so we will see that go off shortly. And there she went. That fantastic sound of the billy boat exhaust. When you're not on the gas, it's pretty docile. When you're on the gas, you can really hear it. One-handing the camera, and the other hand is both steering and shifting. You can see the shifting is absolutely fantastic. Buttery smooth. Just tooling around the neighborhood at this point. Going to get up onto the road where we can get up a little bit of speed. And then maybe a little later on, if time allows and traffic allows, we'll be able to maybe get up to some highway speeds. Fantastic wail of that billy boat exhaust. in stride. Zero noise from the suspension, very composed. No rattling. We've got some train tracks coming up ahead. Manhole cover there, and you can see she just takes this in complete stride. All factory original suspension. Go ahead and take her up a notch. Zero judder in the steering wheel, just rock solid. Acceleration. The billy boat really opens up. Definitely can tell a difference from stock. Go ahead and take her into fifth. Trying to block out that western exposure sun. Give you a view of the road as well as the gauges. She'll open up here a little bit. Great tunnel effect. Preemptively downshift here. There's 4. And here's 3. Effortless acceleration. Docile when she needs to be, growls when she wants to. As I mentioned in the previous video, brand new Vredesteins on. So even at these speeds, we've got 2 fingertips holding the steering wheel. And she is just perfect. Dead on steering wheel. Choppy road. You can see we're hitting bump after crack. You don't hear a squeak or a peep out of that suspension, as you would imagine with 43,000 original miles. Just tight as a drum. Just fantastic. Interior is solid. Enjoyed the ride.